kasus bullying atau tindak penindasan yang
Video
terjadi di
bullying atau
lingkungan pendidikan
perebutan yang
sekolah.
dilakukan oleh sejumlah remaja
SMP
putri
negeri di Malang, Jawa
Cilacap
Timur yang
Jawa Tengah
menjadi
viral
korban
media
kasus
sosial.
ini dengan memanggil sejumlah pihak.
Bullying merupakan ekspresi menyimpang pada anak dalam upaya pencarian jati diri. Peran pendidikan di keluarga dan sekolah sangat diperlukan sebagai penyeimbang.
Yan na ba yan?
Pangit na batchoy. Ayos ka mo ano.
Kahit ka naman ang tama mo. Ito yung furniture naman. Mabukas ko ito sa online ito namin.
Why you're crying, Amber?
Because ano?
What? Tell me.
Because of they're bullying me.
Sino nang bubuli sa'yo?
What kind of bully?
Sino nang bubuli sa'yo?
It's my classmate.
Sabihin mo sa akin. Sabihin mo sa akin, akong bahala dun.
It's my seatmate. Yako.
Dapat sinusumbong mo sa iyong mga teacher.
Sabihin mo lang lahat ng problema mo. Dito lang kami para sa'yo.
Salamat sa inyo, pre. Salamat, pre. Salamat sa mga tulong niya, pre.
Walang kalman para.
Sige.
Pre, sasamahan ka namin at pagsasabihin namin na nang bubuli sa'yo.
Sige, pre. Tara, pre.
What's your problem, bro?
Huwag mong i-bully ng bata.
Who is Yako?
Hey!
What's your problem, bro? Oh, just asking, bro.
Hey! Stop, man!
Sir, good afternoon po. May report lang po sana ako sa inyo.
Ano yun, Tino?
Sir, gusto ko lang po sana i-report ito sa inyo. Grabe na po sila sir kung mambuli sa aming kaklase.
Sino yung mga yan? Anong pangalan?
Sir, yan po sila. 5 po sila.
Sinaya ako. Yan mo yun. Ako nang bahala sa mga yan.
Sige po sir, salamat po. Una na po ako.
pare, siya ba to?
Come, let's approach it.
Dito na lang tayo, pre. Pakinggan na lang muna natin.
Sige. Guys, do you know that guy looks like a mongolian?
That's why he's still ugly.
That's Yaku's groups never stops.
Maybe that's just a drama to get him noticed.
So why don't we pause again to get some more attention?
G.
Hey, would you stop bullying ang bad? Is that what your parents taught you?
Why, man? What's your problem?
Are we bullying you?
Hey, you're too much, man!
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Yes, I am angry and stupid. But please respect me. I am so tired.
Good day everyone, I'm Mark Ambat. Today I want to talk about something that affects many lives but it often ignored, bullying. Bullying is not just about physical harm. It can be in the form of words, action, or even silence. It happens when someone repeatedly hurts, threatens, or excludes another person. Sadly, it happens in school, workplace, communities, and even online. The truth is, bullying leaves deep scars that even may lose confidence, feel isolated, and even think they are worthless. What makes it worse is that many victims stay silent, afraid that no one will understand or help them.
But here's the important part. We all have a role to play in ending bullying. If you see someone being bullied, don't be a silent witness. Stand up, speak out, or support the victim. If you are the one experiencing bullying, remember, you are not alone. Reach out to your friend, a teacher, or someone you trust. We must also look within ourselves. Sometimes, without realizing it, we may say or do things that hurt others. Let us choose kindness over cruelty, respect over judgment, and empathy over indifference.
Imagine a world where everyone feels safe, accepted, and valued. That world begins with us right here, right now. So today, I challenge each of us. Be a voice against bullying, be a friend to the lonely, and be the reason someone feels safe. Together, we can create a community where no one has to live in fear.